It becomes softer, stronger, and resistant to decay. Workers remove the hides from the drums and stretch them across large conveyor systems. Excess moisture is squeezed out using hydraulic rollers that flatten the material evenly. While preserving the leather's natural grain pattern, the leather then enters drying chambers, where temperature and humidity are carefully controlled by computer systems. Slow drying prevents cracking and shrinkage. Some factories use vacuum drying machines to speed up the process while maintaining softness. Technicians constantly inspect the leather to ensure each hide dries evenly without losing flexibility or color quality. At the horn workshop, craftsmen begin polishing the cut horn pieces using rotating sanding wheels. Layer after layer is smoothed away until the natural shine of the horn appears. This stage requires patience and experience because overheating can damage the horn's surface. Fine dust fills the air as polished horns slowly reveal beautiful marble-like patterns. The polished horn pieces are then coated with protective oils and natural wax finishes. These coatings enhance durability while highlighting the horn's unique colors. Some pieces are engraved with decorative patterns using laser machines. Others are shaped into luxury fashion accessories designed for premium international markets and high-end designer brands. In another section of the factory, the finished leather is dyed using advanced spray systems and color drums. Rich black, dark brown, and deep red shades are among the most popular choices. Computer-controlled nozzles apply dye evenly across the surface while workers inspect every piece under bright lighting to ensure perfect color consistency. After coloring, the leather receives additional treatments, including embossing, waterproof coatings, and texture finishing. Giant heated presses stamp patterns onto the surface to create exotic designs. Some leather is polished for a glossy luxury look, while other batches receive matte finishes for a softer appearance. Every detail is designed to meet global fashion standards. Finally, the horn products and leather materials arrive at the quality control department. Expert inspectors examine every item closely for scratches, color defects, cracks, or uneven edges. Products that pass inspection are cleaned, packaged, and prepared for shipment. Luxury horn accessories and premium leather goods are then exported to stores and designers around the world. From powerful Red Bulls on open ranches to advanced machinery inside modern factories,